Hello guys, welcome to another Minecraft video. Now, modded. I got a request from a cool guy, and let's jump right into it, eh? So, smash the like and everything, all that stuff. Leave a comment, smash the like button below, and yeah, if you want me to do more of this. Obviously it'll be every weekend-ish, maybe, round about there. I'll just record it whenever I have time, like I always do with my vids. Tell me if you want me to keep doing the jungle series or do something else. I don't know. As long as you guys enjoy it, I'll do it. But as long as it's not like the ice bucket challenge. God, that's cold. It's cold. Alright, this seems to take a while. I will pause you guys until we come back. And we're back. It's still loading. And oh, there's a Twee. Hello, Twee. Now, I am actually a complete noob. Oh, here we go. Oh. Alright, should be good now. I am 100% newbie. I do not know how to do anything on this. And yay! I'm a noob. And I'm proud. Oh god. Don't worry, it's not always this laggy. Gets better. Ooh, I think I clicked a sapling. So yeah, this is basically Skyblock. Smash the like button below to tell me if you want to see more. And what I should do. Ooh, yay, more saplings. Wait, do we have... Oh my god, we have corn. How do I get it? Okay, what about this? Yeah, okay, I know what we'll start with. We will start with building out, eh? Let's build out. Let's make more room. Please don't die, Dylan. Please don't die. Please don't die. Please don't die. I'm Slim Shady. It's the real Slim Shady now. Please don't die. Sorry if I make you guys cringe a lot. That's just me. Alright. Yes! More bones. More bone meal. More wood. Sorry, I cannot speak today. And it's turning night. Alright. Now, with the power invested in me, I give us light! Lord! Alright, let's go. Alright. Crafting table. Can I do this? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. How do I get stone? Oh, wrong button. Stone. How the flip? Okay, I don't know anything about this mod. What do I do now? Alright, let's do this. Let's just look. What? How? What? Wait. It's a worm! So, soon you'll be noticing that we have Frankenstein in this. It's a joke, we don't actually have him that I'm aware of. Right, so how do we do this? Let's start by making some sticks. Right, how do I get lava? No, how do I get dirt? D. Here we go. Dirt. Wow. Compressor. Chisel. Crafting table. What's all this stuff? Yeah, you made a crafting pan. Okay. Alright. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. I think I got it. Alright, stand back and magic. 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 Ooh, lag. Magic. No! And no one saw it. Ooh. Exit there. No one saw anything. Hopefully. Now. No. How do I spell oak? O. Oh, lag. 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 O-A. Okay. Oak. There we go. Yes. There we go. And now if I go... Oh, we have wood! I did not see that in my inventory. Please don't yell at me in the comment section. Can I do... Yes! I crafted something. Now, can I open this? This is like a wooden cauldron. Alright. What do I do now? Ooh, sticks. Alright, let's go. If you guys are looking at this for a tutorial, please do not. Water. How do I get these? Cactus, how do I get a cactus? How? Ha! 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 How the flip do you get seeds? How the flip? Flip! Flip! Alright, I'm gonna look for S-I-L-E-V-E. Oop. Well, that can't be right. What's this thing called? Oh, no L. E-V-E. Here we go. Oak logs and some... Can I do this with sticks? How do I... Yeah, sticks. Okay. So... Yes! One thing down. 172 more to go. Can I use this? How do I use this? How do I... What? Bind! Oh, wrong button. I think that's it. How, friend, Well, the video's about to end. Thank you for watching.